In this tutorial, we're going to look at the present value function. We're going to make it useful by looking at what today's money may be worth tomorrow, given inflation and other factors. However, you can use this formula for discounting a number or an amount by a certain rate. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is say, today in year 0 we've got £10,000. Okay, so in year 0, what is my money worth? Well, it should be worth 10,000, because at today my money will take me as far as £10,000 will take me. In 10 years, or even up to 20 years, £10,000 due to inflation shouldn't buy you nearly as much. So what will it be worth? Well, if inflation goes up by 3.25% each year, then I need to each year discount the amount of money or value that I have by 3.25%. Now, a very useful way of doing that is by using the present value formula or function. So if you press equals present value, PV for present value, open bracket, and your syntax appears, we're going to link the rate to the inflation rate we're using in this example, and we're going to fix it using the F4 key. The number of periods, or n per, at the moment is 0, so we're going to fix it to the columns. And we're not going to take payments into account. We're going to press comma again and take the future value into account. And by doing that, we put a minus before we put in the number or link it to a number, because that will make the return value of the formula come through as a positive. So what is the future value? Well, confusingly enough, it's actually the starting capital, the starting amount that we're going to link to. So we're going to link it to £10,000, because that's our money we have today, and fix it to that, and close brackets, enter. We have a formula. So in year 0, i.e. today, £10,000 is worth £10,000. However, let's copy the formula down over the 10 and the 20th year and see what our money will be worth in 10 or 20 years time. So we just Control-C, copy that, then Alt-ESF, and we'll do it down here as well, Alt-ESF, just pasting the formula, and escape to come out of copy mode. Right, so you can see the trend here, and also graphically on this chart, that the value of that 10,000 becomes worth much less in the future. So in other words, in 10 years time, what £10,000 will buy you today, it will only buy you £7,000 worth of, or £7,263 worth of items in 10 years time. And after 20 years time, it will buy you £5,275 worth of items. Now, this function can be used for many other purposes. The value of money, discounting money from today looking into tomorrow, is just one good example of how this formula can be useful. Think of various ways you can use it, or use it in your office environment, and we'll see you in the next video.